Hey, let's go over adding integers again. And I'm just gonna think about it a little differently. I'm not gonna bring up the number line this time. So here's a problem. Get a sheet of paper and a pencil if you don't have one already. So pause the video. Here's our first problem, -8 plus 2. I want you to think about this like we have two teams. We have the negative team and we have the positive team. Okay? The negative team had 8 points. The positive team had 2 points. Who won? The negative team did. By how much did the negative team win? If we subtract these. 6. So the answer to this problem is -6. And we're using absolute value when we think about it this way. Here's another one. Are you ready? 7 plus a -4. Think about it like you have two teams, the positive team and the negative team. Who won? The positive team did, right? By how much did they win? What's 7 take away 4? They won by 3 points. So 7 plus a -4 is 3. We're thinking, who won? The positive team or the negative team? And by how much did they win? Let's do another problem. Number 3, write this down with me. -20 plus a -9. Ruh-roh. Only the negative team showed up to play, right? How many total points did the negative team get? 29, and they're the only team that showed up to play. The positive team didn't show up. So the negative team has 29 points. -20 plus -9 is -29. Let's do another one. -40 plus 40. So the negative team showed up, the positive team showed up. Who won? They tied. They both got the same. Remember, when we're adding opposites, the sum is 0. So when it's a tie for your negative and your positive team, the score is 0. Last one. -10 plus 15. Who won? The negative team or the positive team? The positive team did, right? So our answer is going to be positive. By how much did they win? Subtract their scores. 15 minus 10. They won by 5. When we do that, we're looking at the absolute value of the negative team's score. The absolute value of -10 is 10. The absolute value of 15 is 15. This number won. By how much did they win? Then we're subtracting those absolute values. So if you're struggling with adding integers, think about it this way. Who won, which team, positive or negative, and by how much did they win? Here's a problem I didn't give you yet. I know I said this was the last one, but look at this one. Let's say this is the problem. Only the positive team showed up. Just like before, only the negative team showed up, right? And the total was -29. Well, this time only the positive team showed up. What's the total? 12. Maybe instead of using the number line, or maybe the number line's working and you just would like another tool, think about when you're adding integers, you have the positive team and you have the negative team.